Finding the courage to change, a daring adventure. Avoiding danger is no safer in the long run than outright exposure. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. That's a quote from Helen Keller. The mammalian brain creates chemicals that make us feel happy or sad. Our brain uses these chemicals to ensure our survival and drive us to pass on our genes. The brain creates programming in our childhood and teen years. It uses these early programs like an operating system. Whatever caused us pain in those early years, even social pain, created a powerful circuit that gets triggered whenever we face a similar situation. The brain is always scanning for danger. It's automatically applying those childhood circuits. So I can get stuck in a toxic soup of fear, stress, and anxiety, even when my logic tells me that I'm not being reasonable. When my thoughts run away like wild horses, I can feel out of control. Fortunately, there are skills that I can use to help gentle my wild horses. I can use these skills to create a sense of safety, security, and happiness. If I think about something different, then I interrupt the program. Thoughts of appreciation and gratitude work really well for me. Prayer, meditation, and journaling work. I can also call my sponsor or attend a 12-step meeting. First, I have to interrupt the program and change the channel. Then I'm ready for today's grand adventure.